Okay, good morning. So I've got a few things I wanted to tackle today, and I figured why not document it, right? So for one, my Civic outside, I'll show you guys now. It is a UK import 1.5 VTEC, 100% stock in the way that it looks, other than changing of the wheels and a little bit of a lowering kit. So it's 10 lowering springs, and then the EK9 sitting on some hand hooks. That's about it that's been done to the Civic. I'm hoping to fit and clean up this guy. It is a EK9 Type R lip, or styled lip, definitely a replica, not original in any way, shape or form. So yeah, let's get to it. This is what I'm gonna do. I'll try and document it. Whether this sees anything more than just a recording right now, we don't know. We'll see how it goes. And then just a quick update on the CRX. What we've done over the weekend, we finished off all the fiber filler, the sanding. I just did a light prime on the areas that we needed to, but there's still quite a bit of work that I need to run through over here. But we're getting there. We're making progress. The wheels we sprayed last time around, they're all good. These are honestly one of my favorite rims. And tires are on it. So tonight we can maybe have a bit of fun at robot racing. Wire tuck side of things, basically all done. I extended those a bit too long, so I'll have to cut them down and redo that. And the interior of the CRX right now is just a big mess. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see in here, it being as dark as it is. But yeah, I'm in two minds about pulling out the dash at the moment, because we are going fuel tech. So engine harness can come out, a bunch of wiring can come out, and yeah, fuel tech was provided by Devlin, which I'm really excited and happy about. But we'll get this car going. I know we will. It's going to take a bit longer than usual, also with us trying to document everything, but we're getting there. So let's go on to sanding down this lip. So as for the Civic, here it is. Nothing really different about the UK versus SA. I hate the fact that I've got this frosted headlight, but besides the point. So Kosai K1s, sitting on some Hankook Ventus Prime 3s. As you can see, there's no lip on it currently. The grille is just the stock one, which I'm also looking to possibly swap out today. And hopefully the lip covers some of this damage, because this car has been through, unfortunately, one of those take-a-lot dudes reversing into me. So there's that. But outside of it, it's pretty clean. If we walk around, you can see at the back here, Civic 1.5 LS. Bit of a turned down exhaust. Most people think it's boosted for some weird reason. Don't understand why. But yeah, that's the Civic. Okay, just a quick showcase of what the lip will look like, roughly. So at the moment, fitment's really good. Comes across quite nicely. Meets in the middle really nicely. Moving over here, it's quite flush. I've just kind of popped it on. It's just hugging the bumper at the moment. Nothing's been fastened. It's completely loose. But at least I understand the vision. I do quite like it. The question is, do we go with a painted lip or do we leave it black? I suppose that's for another time to decide. But for now, let's get going with this guy. Okay, lip fitted. Didn't do the best of jobs, but it's on there. And hopefully now, just completes the look in front just a little bit. Let's see if I can grab some shots of this. So this is a headlight cover where we run some ducting through the front. What we're going to do with this is black it out, but we wanted to try something where we take one of the PBR stickers, pop it up on the lens, cover it off, and then yeah, spray over everything. Hopefully that gives a little bit of illumination through the corner here. If it'll work or how it'll work, who knows. Worst case scenario, we just spray over it. So this is what I'm going to get cracking on with now, and then I think that's it for today. I don't think there's anything else I want to do around here. Oh yeah, wash the Civic and off to Killarney. That's the plan. Well, let's get cracking. Okay. Well, whoa. You have a blade. I knew you would. I knew you would. The camera.